In 2007, Toverland built its first major expansion in style. The park added the highest wooden coaster built by GCI at the time, Troy, with a maximum height of 31.9 meters. Many years later, this twisted attraction still offers a thrilling ride experience. Here is, in my opinion, what you can expect from Troy. After zigzagging out of the station and into the lift hill, the ride starts with your typical GCI curved drop. It's not particularly steep, but you can still get a decent pull in the back seats. The train quickly gains momentum and traverses a slightly elevated turn which offers some laterals. The ride banks right into a hop with faint airtime and a turnaround leading to a fast airtime hill. Troy does not deliver intense ejector airtime, but instead maintains great pacing throughout its layout to keep riders entertained. Another turnaround follows, this time to the left, before you go across a series of 3 floater airtime moments. I love how the excitement builds up through this sequence. You start with the 2 smaller hills, then move to the sustained floater camelback. The train turns around one more time, then flies through the station. The amplified loudness of the train and riders transform this simple straight line into an impressive moment. After that, you dip down outside of the station into perhaps my favorite element of the coaster, the trick track section. The train just throws you sideways and it really feels aggressive and out of control. The layout ends with a couple more fast turns low to the ground. You can experience sustained laterals through the sequence, and this is also where you have the on-ride photo. The trains hit the final brakes with a decent amount of energy left. I think it shows Troy really takes advantage of its larger height to deliver both a solid ride duration and excellent pacing. Troy also has a nice zone approaching the ride. The landscaping is pleasant and a Trojan horse fits well the atmosphere and the name of the coaster. Unfortunately, there is no scenery around the actual coaster layout. The station building itself looks basic, and Toverland's parking lot surrounds a lot of the ride structure. Overall, the theming of Troy does not match the standards Phoenix set later, but this did not really bother me, because Troy is all about delivering a dynamic ride full of energy. This wooden coaster has a fine twisty layout and offers some really exciting sequences and forces, both laterals and floater airtime. That's why, all things considered, I give Troy an 8.5 out of 10 score. Phoenix is a solid coaster, but Troy delivers an even better experience in my opinion. It is worth alone making the trip to Toverland.